Hi, welcome to our assembly for today. So our well-being, ways to well-being work that we've been doing in class is all about compassion this week and showing compassion for others. And that's a bit of a big word. It's a bit of a difficult one to understand and to wrap your head around. And I wanted to share with you a book because it's a really lovely book with really lovely illustrations. It's all about compassion. And it starts with love and talks about what love is. And love can mean lots and lots of different things. It can mean the love that you have for your mum and dad because we love our families, or a pet, or you might love watching a TV show. But what about love for other people and love for yourself? So we're going to have a look at this and share some of these ideas, and we'll see what we think after we've read the story together. It says, I am love, book of compassion. Okay, so what does this mean? I am love. This book is my love letter to the world, as each one of us is worthy of love in all its forms and expressions, and we're all capable of adding light to the world when we listen to our hearts and choose love. And that's a really nice message. We can listen to our hearts and think about what the right thing to do is. Now, we talk a lot in school about making the right decisions and good actions. And we talked about our actions and things last week, and we talked about kind actions to help other people, but where does it all come from? So let's read our story. When I see someone going through a storm, this isn't a storm necessarily like bad weather. This could be a storm where they're going through something that is just bad for them. Everybody has bad days, and my bad day might be different to your bad day. So that's kind of like being in a bit of a storm, having a bad day yourself for whatever reason. So when I see someone going through a storm of hurt and unfairness, of anger and sadness, when the sun disappears and the skies grow dark, and I see there is fear, I ask myself, what can I do to help the light back in? I put my hands on my heart and listen, and that is where I find the answer. I have compassion. I act with tenderness. I am love. I can listen and not say a word. I can be there. Love is being present. I can hug and hold and say everything will be all right. Love is comfort. I can speak softly and choose my words and actions carefully. Love is gentle. I can give thanks for all I have and am able to share. Love is gratitude. I can keep my mind and body safe and healthy. Love is taking care of me. I can express what's important to me. Love is creative. I can know that no one is perfect. Love is understanding. I can do my best to make things better when something is wrong. Love is effort. I can celebrate those I've loved before. Love is remembering. I can find goodness in a kind word, a helping hand, or a shared smile. Love is tiny gestures. I can breathe in the air that the whole world shares and know all creatures are made from the very same stardust. Love is connection. When the clouds roll in for others and for me, I know now there is something I can do. I can let my heart lead the way. I am love. You are love. We are love. And with love, we will weather the storm and light up the sky together. There we go. That's a very lovely story. I really like that story. There's lots and lots of really lovely ideas in there. So this one is really important. What can I do to help the light back in? It's not, can I switch the light on, but how can I make this person's day a little bit better? What can I do to help? And all of these things are things that make the world a better place. I put my hands on my heart and listen, because you know what the right thing to do is. And your heart is where you will know, if you stop and think, am I making the right decision? That's the important thing. Am I making the right decision here? What is the right decision to make? And the right decision is often to help someone else, to be tender, to listen when somebody is upset, when they want to talk, to give your time to someone. Sometimes people need a hug. Sometimes if mum or dad at home is sad, there's nothing that you can do about it. There's nothing, because sometimes these are grown-up problems, but they need a hug. And actually a hug for no good reason, just saying, because I wanted a hug, because I thought you might want a hug, is a lovely thing to do. Speaking softly, choosing words and actions carefully, thinking about what somebody might like. Sitting there and giving thanks, being grateful. So we talked about gratitudes before in assemblies. Oops, I jumped on again. Sitting back and thinking, actually, I've just learned something new. That's really, really cool. Sitting and thinking, you know, I've just had a really good playtime. I really enjoyed playing with that person. I never played with them before. I'm really grateful for all of these things. Keeping your mind and body safe and healthy, taking care of you, looking after yourself, and being creative. Over the last few days and weeks, we've been really creative in school, and there's some fantastic displays going up with work on them. And certainly the children in Dragonflies and Spiders and Oaks have done some amazing artwork, and I can't wait to see the stuff that's been put up by the other classes. Know that no one is perfect. So in this picture, we've got the girl who was being all enthusiastic, but she trod on the flowers. And actually, it's okay. And you say, oh, never mind, it's all right. We can manage it. We can do something about it together, and making an effort to make the place better. Remembering the people that we've lost, and remembering people who aren't with us anymore is important, and talking about it too. And finding goodness in a kind word, a helping hand, or a shared smile. Tiny, tiny things. Like I said the other day, it could be helping out at breakfast time, making sure there's cereal on the table. Tiny, tiny things. And knowing that we are all doing the same thing. If you are doing this, and I am doing this, and all of your teachers are doing this, and all of your friends are doing this, we are all connected. We are all connected. We are all breathing in the same place, the same things. We are all walking through the same places, experiencing similar things, and we are all connected together. So it's something that you can do. Let your heart lead the way. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. It's just a lovely, lovely story. And it's about letting you think about the right thing to do. So your heart leads the way and says, yeah, it's the right thing to do to help someone else. It's the right thing to do to say, oh, you look sad, I'm going to sit with you for a bit. Or do you want to talk? Or whatever. About looking out for other people. Have a lovely, lovely rest of the day, guys. I'll see you around school. Bye.